What's up, guys? This is Mr. Kibi, and if you are new to this channel, I would encourage that you subscribe, comment, like this video. So today we are going to do laundry. So welcome, and we do laundry together. I'm sorry about the lighting; it's too bright today. So for my laundry, I am doing. I am using the Hisense. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the laundry that we'll be doing today. Yeah, so I am using the Hisense 9 kg washing machine. Yeah, so those are the you'll be able to use different icons there. It has the allergy steam, the baby steam care, the dark wash, sportswear, downy, cotton at 20 degrees, the drum clean. You can also do cotton. You can do the mix wash, cool, quick wash, that's 15 minutes, rinse and spin. So at the moment, the clothes that are in, I normally use the mix wash because of the different clothes that I have. So on this part, it has the timer that you're able to set. It's also have the temperatures, the spin that you want to go through it. You can also save the favorite. It has so many options that you can be able to save, and also you can be able to start and pause. Yeah, so now clothes are ongoing. I'm currently washing the clothes, and you can see it's running. It has stopped. Okay, now it has continued. Yeah, so now it's continuing to run for at least 30 minutes, which I've set for this, given that the clothes are mixed. Yeah, I'm doing it in the house because my house is small. I've not yet where constructed a place where I can be able to do my laundry. So these are the pipes that's bringing the water. Maybe I can show you where I've connected it. Yeah, so this is the one that bring in water, and then this is the power cable. Yeah, so like I was saying, these are the pipes. One of my pipes is leaking, and that's why I've used this small basin to trap some water. Yeah, so this is where the source of my water is from. I'm having the water from the bathroom side. Yeah, so that is it. So this place is whereby after you've done with your washing, you can be able to open it so that the machine doesn't clog. Yeah, so the source of power. Yeah, so it uses about two tokens to finish all the circles. One circle washes about 9 kgs inside it, yeah, of clothes. So I normally wash my clothes at least two circles, and these are the clothes for a whole maybe about 2 weeks. So the kind of detergents that I used to wash is that yeah, I'm using Toss White, yeah, to wash my clothes as the detergent. I also have Downy to wash. So I normally put it here. Yeah, so this is where I put the detergents. Yeah, and also the Downy. And maybe sometime if I have jig, I'm able to put it here to wash, and then I close that way. Okay, yeah, close. Yeah, that is it. And doing my laundry. So yeah, so if you have a question, feel free to type on the comment section and be able to answer them. Bye.